Five little piggies woke up bright, ready for a day of fun and light. Bella said, "Come play with me. 1, 2, 3, let's count to 5. This little piggy loved to dance, spinning around with every chance. Twirl around and clap your hands. Everybody join the band. This little piggy loved to sing, tweeting like the birds in spring. La 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 from ear to ear. Let's all sing so loud and clear. Oink, oink, clap your hands. Stomp your feet across the land. Jump up high, touch the sky. Beller buddies, let's all fly. This little piggy liked to paint rainbow colors, red and blue, yellow, green, and purple too, making happy pictures for you. This little piggy loved to bake yummy cookies, what a treat. Mix and stir and sprinkle fun, sharing snacks with everyone. Can you wiggle all your toes? Can you touch your little nose? Can you spin around with me? 1, 2, 3, whee! This little piggy loved to laugh, giggle, wiggle, snort, and smile.